Hello, welcome you in this program. Myself, Dr. M.P. Misra, Associate Professor, School of Computer and Information Sciences, IGNOU. Basic objective of any program should be known to you before you are going for admission for that particular program. So the BCA program is designed with the objective to provide you opportunity to have admission in computing courses or computer related course after completion of 10+2. It provides you further educational opportunity. After completing BCA, you can do MSc, MCA. If you want to know the eligibility criteria for taking admission in the BCA program, so the eligibility of the BCA program is you have to be 10+2. As far as admission fee is concerned, the current fee for the semester-wise fees is 7,500 per semester. As far as academic support to the learner is concerned, because if you are taking admission in the BCA program, obviously you will be thinking that what IGNOU will be providing to you. Other supports for the academic activity, we are having counseling sessions. In that you will be getting opportunity to have interaction with the subject matter expert, that is the counselor. One thing very important to note while you are taking admission in the BCA program is that 70% attendance in the practical counseling classes is compulsory. University follow a credit system. Every course is assigned a specific number of credit, and 1 credit means that you have to devote total at least 30 hours of study. That is the minimum requirement to complete 1 credit. So it is not that only you are learning computers, you must have to learn the basic philosophy, how you have to present yourself, what kind of communication skills you have to inculcate or you have to present. So these all things we are taking care of. We are having very intense theory and practical counseling support, as you can see on the screen. Total 166 hour of theory counseling we provide in the BCA program and 170 hour of practical counseling we provide in the BCA program. So it is very intense in terms of counseling support, and we are having online resources and support also for your smooth learning processes. eGyan course is our digital repository of all the content. Then IGNOU website continuously provide you information and updates. Our sources website is on the IGNOU website. From there you can go to sources page and you can see the many information and details about the program. RC website for specific RC information. Then we are having support in terms of Gyan Darshan and interactive radio counseling, which is very popular among the students for the learning purposes. Then as far as evaluation is concerned, because evaluation is one of the key components, so we are having continuous assessment in the form of assignment. Then we are having final examination, that is term end examination for theory and practical both. So these are some email IDs for basic support before admission to the BCA program. You can visit the IGNOU website, that is ignou.ac.in, and you will be getting more detail about the BCA program, or you can write at bca@ignou.ac.in if you are having some specific query. Thank you.